Hey, so let's install this app which is called gemsouls, virtual social networking. This app starts to climb in the social networking category in the US App Store. So let's just use Touch ID to install it. So yeah, here you can see like virtual characters become besties. So there are no like real images, real pictures. Uh, yeah. You can pick your gems, create role plays, find soulmates. So yeah, that's interesting. So you can meet, create, and connect with virtual friends. Gem souls is where virtual becomes real. Live your fantasy, take a step forward. Mingle with friends coming soon. A new way to express yourself coming soon, and all of that. So that's basically the idea. Yeah, because it's part of the metaverse. It's part of like uh, aspiration to be a bit more anonymous. Like if you're using Instagram, some people like Instagram. A lot of people think it also like is for the for some categories it can be not quite traumatical, but not that great. Like you need to expose your real name, like your real profile, your real images, and maybe the future is basically where you just can create like an avatar and spend more of your time in the metaverse. I don't know if that's good or bad, but maybe the technology will enable that. Anyway, so you can just create an account with Apple, which I always do. For me is the fastest way, because then you can just confirm with your Face ID or Touch ID, and that's super easy. Um, so that's okay. What's my preferred name? I'll just type Andre, and then I just want to enter my birthday. Then I can just enter my pronouns. Do I have referral code next? So there you have it. That's the process. Then I got like 25 stars for creating an account. Um, I can add new friends. There are popular features, all and all of that. Uh, so then, yep, I can add someone. Uh, okay, I can allow notifications. And then I'm just basically start chatting. So maybe this app is basically around like just like a chatbot or something. So there is like a chai app, where it's just a collection of chai apps. Uh, you can also select different topics. Uh, okay, I'll just reply with super short messages. Um, and there are a lot of these bots, and you need to select a lot of these chats. You can see friend requests. Um, then that's my account here. Um, that's some chat, and then I can add people. Um, and then there are people on wait list. So yeah, something around that. Take part in your virtual friend stories. You can decide what your friend will say, what happens their day, and more by creating a mini story in their voice. Once, the mini story becomes a conversation starter between you and your friend. Uh, Okay, so basically you can you can contribute to these AI bots and uh, yeah, just make this all AI model much better by adding all these stories. Uh, so that's smart. You kind of helping this AI algorithm inside of this app to be more advanced. So that's cool. Then you can read like privacy policy. You can refer people, refer a friend, and join gemsouls, and you will reward it with 3 stars. So use my code Y7TB3. So you can share a code. So just when I was created an account previously, you would see the field where you can just create a code. So then this is my profile. I can change my name. There's birthday pronouns. I can add a profile picture. Um, um, I can log out. If I want to delete an account, uh, I can always, I guess, just contact support and then just write here that, hey, I want to delete my account. In case you are concerned about your data or your chats or anything like that, I think there always should be an option to have some privacy and be sure that your account is deleted just in case. It's good when apps already have that option to delete an account in the bottom. I actually never really delete my account so much with NAS, but it's just like a good tone and from the app developers to have that button. But anyways, then yeah, you can add friends here. Just there are featured. Uh, there are all, and there are a lot of these bots. You can see some of them are popular, some of them are less popular. So I think this app is really like a competitor to Chai app. So Chai app really went viral. If you search for that, I will just show you how exactly. So this is the app. So Chai chat with AI bots. So you can also check it out. You can see it also in the top charts. So interesting. So yep, that's another. Seems this is a nice trend of these apps. Sometimes people just want to chat with AI bots and with avatars instead of real people. So that's that. Yep. I hope overall it's helpful. Definitely give a try. Definitely try to chat more. Okay, if I go to account. I guess the more you chat, the better trained this bot will become, and the more funnier, the more entertaining these chats will become. So you can also see memories, what they liked, what you liked. You can see all the tags. You can rename actually this bot. You can unfriend, block, or report the bot. So yeah, okay, so what's that? It's really interesting. The key part of this app is just to see how high is the quality of these chats. Like if the quality is good, then yeah, you can spend some time and be really entertained. If if the quality, if the model like AI chatting is not great, it will be just feeling like some low quality product, and then you won't be spending so much time here. So other than that, yeah. So as you can see, here's the chat. Maybe he will guess. But anyways, that's the idea. Hope you enjoy it. Yep. See you in the next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my podcast and check out my blog. Thank you for watching.